Everyone, this is Pragya. I'm here with my first Selenium project today. So let's see. So what we are doing today is we have this website, Tech Files billing website, and we want to run this test case to see if it runs properly. So first of all, we want our test case to sign into the website and then go to the bank and cash section. Go to the bank and cash section right here and create a new account for new customer and hit submit button. So let's see if our test can do this for us. So here in Selenium I have already written all the codes, and so this is my class create account, and under the class I have defined my global web driver. um, I will be using my Chrome driver, so web driver, and then here I have driver equals to new Chrome driver, which will launch the browser for us. So these are the set of steps before the actual test. So this will launch the browser and take us to the Tech Files billing website, and then manage timeouts. Implicitly wait will make sure it waits there for 10 seconds in case there is any delay or something like that when we are actually running the test. And windows.maximize will maximize the window for us, and delete all cookies for so we are all good to go. And the actual test is running right here in the test section, test method. So here what will happen is it will enter the username and password and log in. So here I have used element locator ID. I've used ID as the element locator for username and password, and name for the login, and send keys are there to enter the information we want to input, and clicks the button for us. So the next one for the links to click the buttons like bank and cash, and then we have to click that to go to new account, and that will be done by this locator link text. Link text is what we'll use for that. And here on the account form, while we are creating the account, the first element I have used CSS selector. This is how we use CSS selector, and these are the things we need to input to get the CSS selector, to use the CSS selector in the as a locator instead of ID. We have CSS selector, we have XPath, so we can choose any one of these, and the mostly used is the XPath as well as CSS. That's the industry standard, I believe. So here I have used all of them actually. So this is the CSS selector, and this is the XPath locator. So this is how we use XPath, and rest of them I just used ID. And right here, this is the last input we have to give, and then it will be time to submit, and this is the submit. This is what will click the submit button for us. So I do want to see if everything works, so I'm going to comment out the close button, the set of codes that will close the browser for us. So let's see if everything runs well and it creates an account for us. So let me do run as JUnit. and here we go, it's doing the job for us. Yep. And then hitting the submit button, and it says account already exists because I already created an account. I already ran this test before, so because the account already exists, so it's not creating another account for us. So yes, we did pass the test. So that was it for this test case today. And let's run it let's run it with this set of codes that says after, so it will end the window for us after all the job is done. So let's run it. And here we go. Yes, it worked beautifully. So that was it for today. Thank you so much. Please let me know what you think about it, and if you have any other ways of doing this or any suggestions for me, it's most welcome.